Thin cut veal. Carpaccio. What do you think, Dino?
Yes, it's a good idea. Fresh lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil.
Garlic.
Yeah, very good.
Fast, easy, nice appetizer. The ingredients for the carpaccio are extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, black pepper, salt, mushrooms, Parmigiano Reggiano, and of course, very thin sliced veal. So we're making carpaccio right now. Very simple, very easy, few ingredients. Most important thing, fresh. So we got thin sliced mushrooms. Then you got thin sliced meat. So we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, salt, a little pepper. So then we're gonna put the meat. We're not gonna lay it flat. We're gonna just ripple like this so that it will be not completely, because when we're gonna be putting the lemon on top, it's not gonna be completely cooked because the lemon will cook the meat. So we're gonna leave some wrinkles like this. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper again. We're gonna cut some cheese, Parmigiano, thin slice. Did I say we're gonna cut some cheese? I meant Parmigiano. We're gonna cut some Parmigiano. And then we're gonna sprinkle a generous amount of freshly squeezed lemon juice like this. And make sure we don't put some of the pits in there. Yes, yes! So, the dish then, what you want to do, you want to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes and then it'll be ready to be served. Put a little plastic wrap. You can find this recipe on AbruzzоCibus.com under the blog area. Just look for recipes. There's going to be cooking times and measurements. Enjoy.